Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we will see how Emily, as a team leader, can track the progress on modules and actions, and can also view the results for the pulse that this team has taken. So, in this case, Emily is just the team leader and not the member. If she is not the member and just the team leader, then she will have the access to the overview page and account page only. Most of her time would be spent in overview page. Here it is listed the organization that she's a part of. There can be multiple organizations as well, so they would all be listed under this drop down option. Then the current team, she's only the leader of the team operations and delivery, hence this is the one that is selected, and then the period here as well. Now, in order to view results, we will drag down to indicator summary. Here, it tells us the data as at January 2026. The data is divided in three categories: risk level, inside my team, and outside my team. You can view what each dial represents by clicking on by hovering over this question mark icon, and you can also view the scores from here. Right now, this organization has only taken one pulse, which is January 2026. As it takes more pulses in February and March, since it's on a monthly cadence, there would be a warm graph that will be formed depending upon the scores for each period, which you can then easily track by clicking on the dot here. Now, let's dive deeper, and in here we can view the overall score. So if there is the difference between the score for this result and the previous pulse is indicated in brackets like this. If there is a decrement, it would be in red, and if there's an increment, it would be in green. So currently we have risk level analysis. We can view the legend from here. We can select the period from here. We can select the team. Since she's a leader of only one team, then it's automatically selected. We can also sort it by weakest to strongest or strongest to weakest. By default, it's set to be sorted by strongest to weakest. And here we can view all the results for the questions. Let's move towards inside my team now. So there's a total score for inside my team, the difference in the brackets, the legend, and then the filters are over here. We can view the results for all the questions. We can then move towards outside my team, and pretty similar. All the answers to the questions are here. The legend is here, and we can still sort it out on the basis of all the filters. Now, if you want to know compliance information for each question, we can click on this link button. It will give us the compliance information. You can then close it. Maybe you want to read it for another question as well. We close that one as well. Now, if you want to view the progress for each question, we can then click on this link button. It's a very interesting feature. It will tell us it will show all the questions on y-axis like this, and then all the periods on the x-axis. So currently we only have had the pulse for January period, hence that is the only one which is populated. We can toggle between the teams if you are a leader of multiple teams, and then we can also choose whichever category we want to view the results for. You can also view the legend from here and search for any question that we have in mind. Let's go back. Now, health check is also a very interesting feature. We click on this one, and it tells us a team to team comparison of each question. So, if you are a member of or a leader of just one team, it might not be very much informative, but still, I had to show. And now you can view the status for learning and team actions. So it doesn't allow us to view a breakdown since we are the leader. So it will just tell us one person has completed the module and five people are yet to complete it. And similarly for actions, one person has completed it and there isn't anybody else who has entered a team action. So that's it. Another feature is to generate the report. If you want to generate the report, we will click on this button, and we will then save it as PDF in our system. It will appear like this. It will tell us the team name over here and organization name over here. Thank you so much for watching.